Hello, hello, hello. So today we're gonna do a little bit of just a casual Friday vlogging sitch, day in the life. Yeah. So this morning I did a little something before I started taping. So I did a little grocery shop. Maybe that's it. I went to the bank to inquire about credit card things. Yeah, that's about it. And then I came home. I was wearing something cute this morning, and then I came home to put on this, and we're gonna do some yoga. And there's a lot of hair in my jeans, and I don't know why. Yeah, so my mom sent me this muscle stretching yoga this morning. She said it was really good, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, so let's do it. Oh wait, first we're making coffee. Also, this is the new place. Once it is all done, there will be a tour, and we're doing a little DIY situation in some of the rooms, so stay tuned for that because I think they're gonna be good. We're going for a very Japandi, that's the technical term, Japandi, I think, style. So it's like Japanese persuasion with like mid-century modern, basically. So lots of plants. We've got lots of nice beige tones. I really want to reupholster the couch. Might just get a couch cover though, because reupholstering is like a really big job. And I don't know if I have enough fabric of this really cool fabric that I got. So those might just be pillows instead. And yeah, oh, I'll show you outside. Okay, it's really gross right now. It's gotta be washed, but it is a huge like deck, and there will be fun times on that deck in the summertime once we do something with it, because right now it's just a big fat trash bag. So let's make some coffee. Okay, so here's a little haul. I just popped over to Wally World. I got this mix to put into cookies with some chocolate chips because I'm gonna do cookies today. We got some milk. I think I got some fruit and some other things too. Very basic. Really just wanted to get things to make cookies because I want some cookies. My tummy wants some cookies. Oh, it's like all red from my jeans. Lovely. Okay, this is my really cool, awesome retro espresso machine. So that's what I'm gonna be making my coffee in. I just put it in this thing, we pack it down, we put it on, and yeah. Excuse the messy kitchen. It's not freshly cleaned. Sometimes I can't get this to pack down, which is really hard. Very difficult stuff. Delicious. All right, let's get our yoga set up. I'll put you there for now. Oh, also really exciting. See this? So we have this kind of like funny like cutout here, as you can see, but there's no like bar shelf on it. It's just an open counter. So we're gonna put a bar counter there. and it is coming today. It is so beautiful, and my boyfriend's parents did it, and it is just absolutely gorgeous woodwork, and I'm just so impressed. I'm like blessed, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's get this laptop set up here. I was trying to go for like this really cute like 70s like flower like child. Oh, and it's dead. Plug it in. Flower child. Is that a thing? We don't know. Anyways, I was going for that today, and I think it's really cute. I feel very 70s, except I put lip stain on my lips, and now my lips are just dry and they look kind of crazy. Don't mind me. Okay, well that comes on. I'm gonna grab my yoga mat. Okay, now my mother sent this to me, so let me try and find it. All right, we are up and running, so you can watch a little segment. I probably won't put it all in because that's boring to watch, but I'll give you it's just called Yoga for Sore Muscles, and it is by Yoga with Bird if you guys want to join along or do it yourself. Maybe wait till I'm done this and I'll tell you if it's actually good. My mom says it's good, but we vary different styles, so here we go. Okay, so verdict. I think that was really good. It was really relaxing, honestly. That would be perfect before bed. I think I'm like a little too relaxed now because I don't really want to do anything. I just want to go to sleep. If I'm being like totally honest. But I do have this other one if you guys want a good stretch. It is Deep Full Body Yoga Stretch 25 Minutes by Kat Miffan. Maybe I'll put a little something down here or like down there. You know what I'm saying? I really like that one. She does like, was it salamander or something pose? And I love the way she says salamander. Now going into salamander. I don't know. I don't want that to be offensive. I think she's really cute. I tried. Anyways, let's take a look at the fishies. Obviously, y'all don't know, but my boyfriend had a fish tank, so it had to come to the new place. And I honestly didn't really want it, but we got some fishies for Asta, so now it's kind of like a little bit more exciting, and I like the tank. It's also really aesthetic and kind of cute. So I will show you. Okay, like how cute, right? We have a couple of froggies. There's one of them. I don't know what he's doing. That's a fun little pose. And then we just got some guppies for me. Got the orange one, the yellow one, and there's a blue one somewhere around there. And then there's these guys, which are little tetras. And yeah, I don't know. It's like super cute. I wonder where the other guppy is. We love our guppies. All right, so now I think I'm going to read my book because I'm supposed to be reading a bunch of chapters and I haven't been keeping up. So I'm gonna try and read at least one chapter, and then we will hit the thrift store because we love our thrifting clothes. Am I right? All right, so I'm going to sit down. I'm gonna read my social control book, a couple chapters of that. Maybe finish my coffee since I haven't done that either. I'll check back with you in a little bit. Okay, so we were gonna go to the thrift store. It's true, my bad. I think I can go tomorrow because it closes in an hour and it takes about 20 minutes to walk down there. So that's not enough time for me. I need my time in there. And I think it's open tomorrow, so maybe I can bring Brendan with me, the boyfriend. And we have to find a butter dish, so, and maybe some placemats. So maybe he can help me with that. And then there's a few other ones that I want to go to, and we have to drive. And I don't drive, he drives because he has a car. I don't have my car. And yeah, so I'll probably do some cleaning up because his parents are coming to drop off that bar table, and we want it looking decent for him. you know, we're surviving here all by ourselves, so. But besides that, yeah. Oh, I'm tired. I don't know what else to do. Oh, we're gonna make the cookies. Someone will make the cookies. I just have a few things to do, and then it's cookie time. Or maybe I should make them later so it smells like cookies when his parents are here. Am I too extra? Is that too much? I'm guilty of being a people pleaser. We'll see. We'll see. I still have to make dinner too, but I don't have to make for another hour. I know what I should make tonight. I have to figure out what I'm making for dinner. Then I'll make the cookies, and then I could probably start on dinner. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so first batch just came out. They look pretty bomb. Like, yes, how delicious. One more batch in the oven. I did a little bit of organizing, not like a whole lot, basically just cleared this off. I'm gonna redo the couch and all that and wait for the next batch to come out. And yeah, then I'll start on dinner. Life of a housewife. Thing. I ain't no housewife, but sometimes I feel like it because I'm home the whole day doing homework and cleaning and cooking. I'm pretty sure that's like the definition of a housewife, but that's okay. How cute is this little setup? I think it's one of my fave little decoration pieces in the whole room besides our bar. That's gonna be looking bomb. Getting a mirror right above it and then another shelf for the alcohol. This is going away. We don't like that. Let's cover that up. And then yeah, that's going in. Those are going away. Oh yeah, we started a puzzle. Didn't finish it for Valentine's Day about 4 days ago. I love that for me because now that puzzle's gonna be sitting, oh hi. That puzzle's gonna be sitting on the ground for like 2 weeks. Love that, love it. Oh, I guess I can put the tulips back on the table. Okay, cookies are all done. They look fabulous. Look at that. Delicious. Okay, so now I have these postcards. Oh, wrong way. And then you can draw like your own design on the back, and my sister just sent me one. So cute, pork dumpling. So I guess we're just like little pen pals now. She actually lives in Toronto and I'm in Vancouver, so fun. I don't know why that's fun, but I guess it is. Anyway, so I'm going to make her one and send it back while I watch one of my videos for sociology class. It's like a 3-hour long, but we gotta watch it, so I'm gonna watch it and do this while I do it. I'll show you when I'm done. Also, side note, I will put the recipe for the cookies down below if anybody wants to make them, because they're pretty bomb. Gorgeous. All right, so we just put the thing in. It looks so good, and this is where I am going to end the vlog. So bye. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodles.